Hi students, good morning to all. My name is Radhika. Today's video I am presenting 4th Science. Lesson 2, Plants Living and Surviving. Plants grow in many more places. For example, plants grow in desert and some plants grow in ocean beds and some plants grow in mountain slopes and some of the plants live in water and some of the plants live in valleys. In fact, plants live in everywhere. Plants differ from each other depending on the surroundings. So, plants classified into 2 types. First one is terrestrial plants. Next one is aquatic plants. Plants are classified into 2 types. First one is terrestrial plants. Second one is aquatic plants. So, now we learn about first topic, terrestrial plants. First one is terrestrial plants. What is mean by terrestrial? In the word terrestrial means live on land. Listen, terrestrial means live on land. Yeah, plants live on land. For example, neem tree, people tree, sesame tree. So, more trees are live on land. So, these plants are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are many types. See the board, types of terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are 4 types. First one is plants of hills. Second one is plants of plains. Third one is plants of desert. And fourth one is plants of hot and wet region. First one is plants of hills. Okay, dear students, have you seen Ooty and Kodaikanal areas? So, what type of climate in this region? Yeah, that climate is become very cold area. So, that area plants are very tall and straight, strong plants. Then these cold area, that hills area plants, leaves are needle like in nature. Why this plant has needle like leaves? Because cold means snow area. So, that leaf protect themselves. That's why the leaf has thick like in nature. Thick and sticky and needle like in nature. Next one is plants of plains. Plain area, very easy, that is land area. Most of the plants live in plains. Plains means flat land. But our area, Namakkal, our area is a flat area. So, we are living in flat area. For example, Ooty, hill station. So, that is sloping area. So, plants of plains, most of the plants live on plain areas. What type of nature this plant have? For example, neem tree. Neem tree has lots of branches. Yes, that thick woody, and these plants gives shelter to the birds. So, that plain area, the leaves has green color. That plant leaf prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. In plain areas, the trees has more branches. These trees can bear the heat but shed their leaves during winter. What are the plants shed their leaves during winter? Neem tree, sesame tree, sal and etc. Next one is plants of desert. Desert plant. Most of the plants cannot grow leaves. So that leaves is not, actually the leaves are absent. Leaves is very important for all plants because leaves prepare food. Why this plant can prepare food? Yes, the stem prepare food. And next one is that desert plant. Examples are cactus and opuntia. These plants has spines. That spines protect the plant against the animals. Next, what is the purpose of spines? What is the function of spines? That spines prevent loss of water. So, next one is plants of hot and wet region. These plants always evergreen. What do you mean by evergreen? Evergreen is the plants should not shed their leaves during winter. Some examples of hot and wet region plant. First one is coconut, second one is mahogany and third one is ebony. These plants always evergreen. Evergreen means these plants should not shed their leaves during winter. Now we will see the terrestrial plants examples. See this picture. First one is apple tree, neem tree. Some of the trees are available here. Now we see the picture one by one. See this plant. These plants lives in hills area. For example, first one is cedar, second one is spruce, third one is fir, fourth one is pine tree. These trees are lives in hills areas. These leaves has, see the picture, needle like in nature. The leaves are needle like in nature. Next one is pine tree. These trees cannot produce flowers. Instead of flowers, these plants produce cones. See the cone? This cone is found on pine tree. Pine tree should not produce flowers. Instead of flowers, these plants has cones. The cones produced new plant. Can you understand? Next one is plants in plain areas. Many have several branches. That means most plants have several branches. They can survive in very hot climate and may shed most their leaves in autumn seasons. Example, neem tree, peepal tree and gulmohar tree. Next one is one of the type of terrestrial plants, plants in area of heavy rainfall. These plants have leaves that remain green almost all year round, are called evergreen trees. Example, rubber tree and teak tree. Smaller plants like sugarcane, rice, cotton, pepper also grow here. These plants live in heavy rainfall areas. Types of terrestrial plants is the last one is mangroves plants. Some plants are live in saline water. That plants lives in clayey soil. Actually, clayey soil is very sticky like in nature. So the plants, some particular type of plants live in saline water. So these plants are called mangroves. These plants lives in mossy area. Example, so these plants are called mangroves. Mangroves plants live in sticky and clayey area. So the plants surrounded by full and full water. Normally plants live in the soil. So plants can breathe easily. But in this type of plants, in this type, what is the meaning of in this type? This is mangrove plant. Mangrove plants roots comes out of the soil. Yeah, really? Can you see in the picture? Can you see the plant already? No, we can't see. But mangrove plants roots not below the ground. These plants roots are above the ground. How is possible? How the plants absorb water and how the plants breathe? Can you guess it? Anybody guess it? Yeah, these plants root. The root part is the function of breathing. The roots breathe the air from the outside. So the plant's roots found on above the soil, and the plant always living the water area. So the root will decayed. Why the root will decay? Because these plants are live in the water. So adaptations. The plant has one adapt. What is mean by adaptations? Plants can survive in some of the places. So the plants has some special features. Yeah, that mangrove plant has special features. What features? The root. The roots is doing the function of breathing. So mangrove plants roots are called breathing roots. Can you understood? Next, see the picture. Now we can see the picture of mangrove plant. Okay students. So once again I recap the topic. Today I thought one topic only, that is terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants, that plants are live on land are called terrestrial plants. That terrestrial plants has many types. First one is plants of plain, next one is plants of desert, and next one is plants of hills areas, and next one plants of hot and damp areas, and last one is mossy areas. Some plants live in mossy areas. Example, Avicennia plant. So these plants roots are called breathing roots. So terrestrial topic is a very important topic. So all students, you should learn the topic sincerely and read out the book. Next class I will take aquatic plants and rainforest. Thank you students. Thank you once again.